How to shuffle the elements of a Python list. For this, we can use the shuffle function, which is present in the random module. So let's import this function from random. We are going to import shuffle. Now we have to shuffle a list. So let's create a list. I've given the name numbers and put some numbers into this list. To shuffle the elements of this list, we are going to simply call the shuffle function and pass this list as a parameter. Now this is going to permanently modify the list. So we cannot get back the original list. Now let me print out the numbers list. See, the original list was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now it has become 1, 5, 2, 3, 4. This is a random shuffle of this original list. If I execute this code again, now this is giving a separate distribution. So every time I execute it, I'm going to get a different distribution of the original list.